My name is Fuad Abdul Kadir, Land Surveyor from Dar Resources, SENNEBOGEN. We use the SENNEBOGEN 718 mainly for the tree care work, and it's been a huge difference for us. We love the machine precision. You can place the grab exactly where you want it, which means less stick, less damage, and of course a cleaner job overall. The 718 does the work of many. We don't need multiple machines on site anymore. Our work is efficient even with less manpower. And my favorite part, the 4 hydraulic system. It gives us more smooth, independent control over each function. We love the grapple saw, rotate until 316 degrees. We can work faster with more control and keep the crew safe, and it made our operation easier to manage.